Hello and welcome back to another episode of Building a Fashion Brand. In today's episode, we will discuss the importance of designing your own logo. Okay, so just briefly looking at this list of logos, we have many different companies, we have different kind of identities and different kind of signatures. So as we see, the logo can be very different from each and every single brand. We can see designers adopting the initial like D&G, Dolce & Gabbana, Christian Dior, Yves Saint Laurent has the extended name, but the font they have used, it's absolutely incredible and it's still like remarkably beautiful today. And another one that is extended is Terry Mugler, which is a kind of handwriting, I guess, original from I guess Mugler, and it's still very cool, very stylish and very unique. Other brands sometimes may adopt things like Lacoste, a crocodile, which is super fresh, still incredibly beautiful. I remember Lacoste was about to change the color of the crocodile, something like that. However, Lacoste has been incredibly recognizable through the years, through decades, just because that crocodile, incredible. And in this case, we have Tommy Hilfiger that has this very simple but efficient flag, which sometimes can be just a flag without the writing Tommy Hilfiger or Hilfiger, it's up to you how to pronounce it. And another one I really like is Givenchy, which is very unique, very recognizable, very Givenchy and classy as well. So having your own logo, it's incredibly important, and guys, trust me, based on my more than 20 years experience in the fashion industry as a designer, when I designed my logo, it took me a long time getting to this point where I have developed a logo that is absolutely me, 100%, is through and through the expression of my vision, my identity, my life, my feeling, and all the influences I have absorbed over the years and embraced and made them my own. In the video of today, not to show you my product, but to tell you the story of behind the scene of how I have formulated, designed my logo. I will tell you a little story. I will guide you through how I got inspired. And guys, a suggestion for all of you: if you have seen my previous videos, I love AI, I use AI, I love Midjourney, I use so many different AI for many different purposes. But guys, when it comes to design your logo, please do not use any software, any AI. Do it by hand or do it in Photoshop, do it in Illustrator or any other software you want to use, but not through the crappy way of you put your name and it's gonna generate, the software will generate for you a logo and you choose this one, that one, more round, more square. No, Your logo has to be the reflection of your personality, DNA, vision, experience, good time, bad time, where you want to be, how you're feeling. If you are like, you know, if you're doing something modern, if you're doing something classic, if you're doing something retro or futuristic, or I don't know, embracing any particular thing, you should, my modest opinion, embrace everything and express it through your logo. So we're gonna delve deep into the behind the scene, how I have designed my logo and what inspired me, what was the all about behind my logo. I hope you enjoyed. Let's get started. And I'll see you in the second part of the video. Designing a logo is not a simple task. In my case, I find inspiration in the things I loved throughout my life and the elements that inspire my designs. It's important to embrace the things you love. As a child, I cherished seashells during my family holidays and spent endless hours playing with them on the beach and collecting them over the years. When I turned 17 and my passion for fashion took hold, I began seeing things differently. There was a sudden shift, a click, and my creative vision started to emerge. I started observing the everyday things around us, the places we visit, and the spaces we inhabit. I incorporated this inspiration into my designs, crafting them into my own logo. It all unfolded naturally because I allowed myself to embrace the things I love and find inspirational, focusing on what caught my eye. Living in London, I explored the surroundings and found myself captivated by the striking Gothic architecture alongside the futuristic and avant-garde structures of the city. As I delved deeper, I discovered this side a new source of inspiration: Art Deco. I encountered it in my travels, books, and museums I visited. Without my awareness, this vision for my logo took shape. It became a way for me to express a sense of protection symbolized by the shield. Shields throughout history represented belonging to a family or noble heritage. Additionally, the beauty of the City of London logo played a big part in my inspiration to adopt a shield as a shape for my logo. Within my vision, I managed to stylize the beloved seashell into a simple yet elegant form, serving as the pinnacle of my logo. By incorporating elements of power, essential protection, my admiration for Gothic and ultra-modern architecture, and my affinity for Art Deco, I created a design that, at first glance, may appear simple, but in reality is an expression of all those incredible elements intertwined, a manifestation of my deepest emotions, inspirations, and visions. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of today, and I hope I've been inspiring you to design your own logo with no AI. Use your pen, use your pencil, and draw ideas, and you will see it will come to you. But remember, it takes time. Before you go, remember your subscription is very important for me to continue to create contents to help fashion designers, startups, fashion entrepreneurs, fashionistas, fashion people, and so on. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe and I'll see you in my next episode. Bye for now. Thank you. Bye bye.